Wooden tree wall art, design, a flat, tree-shaped piece of wood with branches extending outward, materials, plywood or MDF for the tree shape, paint or stain for finishing, adhesives or nails for mounting, style ideas, minimalist, simple silhouette with clean lines, rustic, use reclaimed wood for a weathered look, use, as a focal point on a wall in the living room or bedroom. 2. Wooden tree bookshelf, design. A tree-shaped bookshelf where branches act as shelves for books or decor. Items, materials, solid wood like pine, oak, or walnut for durability, wood glue, screws, and dowels for assembly, sandpaper and wood stain or paint for finishing, style ideas, modern, smooth. Painted wood with sharp geometric lines, boho, irregular branch shapes with a natural wood finish, use, unique bookshelf in a study, living room, or children's room, wooden tree coat or hat stand, design, a vertical tree trunk with extending branches for hanging items, materials, thick wooden dowels or poles for the trunk and branches, a solid wooden or metal base for stability, wood stain, varnish, or paint for finishing, style ideas, sleek, polished wood with evenly spaced branches, natural, use rough-hewn wood for a rustic appearance, use, entryways, bedrooms, or offices, wooden tree jewelry holder, design, a small tree with delicate branches for hanging necklaces. Bracelets and rings, materials, thin wooden dowels or natural twigs for branches, a wooden block or disc as a base, wood glue and a drill for assembly, style ideas, elegant, smooth, painted branches with a lacquered base, rustic, natural twigs with bark left intact, use, organized jewelry on a dresser or vanity, wooden tree lamp, design, a wooden base shaped like a tree with LED lights on the branches, materials, driftwood or carved wood for the tree shape, LED light strips or fairy lights, wood varnish for protection, style ideas, modern, geometric tree shape with warm LED lighting, whimsical, curved branches with glowing fairy. Use, decorative lighting in living rooms or bedrooms, wooden tree photo display, design, a tree with flat branches or small pegs for hanging photos or mementos, materials, plywood for the tree cutout, clips, strings, or small hooks for hanging photos, paint or stain for decoration, style ideas, vintage, use distressed wood and clothespins, contemporary, painted tree in neutral colors, use. Create a family tree display in living rooms or hallways, wooden Christmas tree, design, a tree shaped wooden structure for festive decor, materials, slats of wood arranged in a triangular tree shape, nails or screws for assembly, paint, ornaments or fairy lights for decorating, style ideas. Minimalist, simple slats with a natural wood finish, festive, painted green with bright decorations, use, sustainable alternative to a traditional Christmas tree, wooden tree room divider, design, a tree-like structure with open branches to divide spaces while maintaining visibility, materials, plywood or solid wood for the tree cutout, paint or varnish for finishing, hinges, if designed as a folding divider. Style ideas, artistic, laser-cut branches for intricate details, organic. Use rough-edged wood for a natural look, use, separate areas in a living room, dining space, or office. Wooden tree for seasonal decor, design, a tree framework that can be decorated for different holidays, Christmas, Easter, Halloween, etc. Materials, reclaimed wood or plywood for the tree frame, pegs, hooks or loops for hanging decorations, style ideas, neutral base, stain or paint the wood in neutral tones to suit all seasons, customizable, add magnetic or Velcro spots to attach decor pieces, use. Versatile centerpiece for year-round celebrations, rustic wooden tree centerpiece. Design, a small, sculptural wooden tree placed on dining or coffee tables, materials, driftwood or naturally shaped branches for a rustic vibe, a solid wooden or stone base for balance, style ideas. Natural, leave wood untreated for authenticity, elegant, add a touch of gold or silver paint to highlight branches, use, a conversation starter or decorative accent, wooden tree jewelry cabinet, design, a tree silhouette integrated into a cabinet with hidden compartments for jewelry storage, materials, hardwood for durability, e.g., oak or cherry, dot, small hooks, velvet lining, or compartments for delicate items, style ideas, luxe, dark wood finish with brass accents, artistic, laser cut. Tree design on cabinet doors, use, combine utility and aesthetics in a bedroom or dressing area. Freestanding wooden tree display, design, a 3D wooden tree structure used as a decorative piece in larger spaces. Materials, layered plywood for a lightweight yet sturdy structure, wood joinery or screws for assembly, style ideas, abstract, simplified tree shapes for a modern art feel, traditional, add carved details and realistic textures, use, ideal for entryways, living rooms, or as event decor. Wall-mounted wooden tree organizer, design, a vertical tree with hooks, shelves, or slots for organizing everyday items, materials, plywood or reclaimed wood for the main structure, metal or wooden hooks for functionality, style ideas, industrial, use metal brackets and dark-stained wood, eco-friendly, incorporate upcycled materials, use, hang keys, bags, or even small potted plants in hallways or offices. 15. Wooden tree ceiling light fixture, design, a wooden tree shape installed on the ceiling with hanging lights or chandeliers from the branches, materials, hardwood for the structure, LED lights or pendant bulbs, metal fixtures for electrical safety, style ideas, natural, use bark textured wood for an earthy feel. Chic, combine polished wood with warm, glowing lights, use, add a dramatic touch to dining rooms or living areas, wooden tree display stand for markets or events, design, a sturdy wooden tree with wide, flat branches for showcasing products like jewelry, candles, or ornaments, materials, plywood for portability, adjustable pegs or hooks for flexibility, style ideas, sleek, sanded and polished wood with minimalist design, bohemian, hand-painted patterns or natural wood finishes, use. Great for craft fairs, pop-up shops or retail displays, interactive wooden tree chalkboard, design, a wooden tree with a chalkboard finish on the surface, materials, MDF for the base, chalkboard paint for functionality. Frame made from natural wood or a painted border, style ideas, educational, add branch labels for kids to learn about trees, creative, use it as a message board or daily planner, use, perfect for kitchens, classrooms or playrooms, outdoor wooden tree sculpture, design, a large, artistic wooden tree structure for gardens or patios, materials, hardwood like teak or cedar for weather resistance. Sealant or varnish to protect against the elements, style ideas, organic, use rough. Unpolished branches for a natural aesthetic, artistic, painted in vibrant.